all of you living 5 hours away from the coast, snuggled safely in the foothills of the mountains of North Carolina, miles and miles away from any possible hurricane, who find it necessary to clear the shelves of every bottled water in every store from here to Alabama. Water that could be used, maybe, at the coast at some point. I have a solution for you. I have a revolutionary idea that I will sell exclusively to you. Listen closely. It's ingenious. You take a jug, any jug, find a jug, clean it, don't clean it, I really don't care. You walk over to your tap. This is the revolutionary part. You turn on the water. You place the jug, now listen carefully, this is where it gets complicated, under the water. The water will now fill into the jug. Maybe if I don't miss it, but you get the idea, the water is going into the jug. Imagine a time lapse, the jug is full. Now you have water. Now, follow me. You take that water and you place it into your refrigerator. If there were room, I would place it into the refrigerator, and then you will have water. You will have water, people. Magic water. I'm a little emotional here because this idea, it came to me in the middle of the night. And, well, it's a personal matter. Good luck and survive.